New year means new fashion trends to get excited about. There's a lot of things to talk in this video, so let's jump straight into it. Hi, my name is Amirul Danial, or also known as Eddy, and today I'm gonna be your host for ZALORA TV. So in this segment, I will share with you guys about some fashion tips, fashion advice, some fashion pieces that will help you to dress better in 2023. Without further ado, let's move to the first tips. So the first advice that I will share with you guys is regarding proportions. For me, proportion is everything in an outfit. So what is proportion? The only thing that you need to know about proportion is to use the rule of third. And to use the rule of third, imagine dividing your body into 3 parts. The main goal here is to use that 1:2 ratio, where you fill one part of your body with a top and the remaining 2 with a bottom, or vice versa. You want to avoid wearing 50-50 ratio, as it makes you look boxy and short. As you can see, my top only takes up 1/3 of my whole body and the remaining 2/3 fills out the bottom. This gives out an illusion where it makes me look taller. Here are some examples of a 1:2 ratio fit. The second advice is something cliche, but it is what it is. Be confident in what you wear. As most of you know, there are a lot of ways to style outfit. There's goth core, block core, business core, soft boy, and sometimes when you are trying something new, you might have a feelings that I don't look good in this outfit. It's maybe because you're not confident in what you are wearing. So be confident. Moving on to the second part of this segment, I will share with you 5 trendy pieces that you can add in your wardrobe collection for 2023. So for the first piece that I will be sharing with you guys is this mohair cardigan. Mohair cardigan is something that I have been observing growing on the internet from last year. The right cardigan can take you from a coffee run to an evening look, whether you are heading for a movie or grabbing drinks with your friend. This particular cardigan I'm wearing is from COS, and the quality is insanely good, and the striking pattern gives the whole fit a better look. So for the second piece that I will be sharing is a plain leather jacket, or also known as blossom jacket, or blossom, tomato. It is just a very plain, simple leather jacket with a collar and maybe some side pockets. What I like most about this is that it has a very clean aesthetic look, where you can dress it in a lot of ways. From wearing it with a formal attire, or even with a hoodie for a quick grocery run, you name it. And one of the best options you can get this from is from Adidas faux leather jacket on ZALORA website. For the third piece that I will be sharing would be this white pants, and as you can see, it is really wide, so it gives a nice silhouette to the whole outfit. White fit pants is something that I only recently discovered. It is not a common type of cutting where you usually see people wear it in the street. For me, this white pants from COS is a well-executed piece of clothing. My favorite way of styling white fit pants is by matching it with a small or a cropped t-shirt or hoodie. It somehow gives a Balenciaga vibe, in my opinion. So for the next piece, it is something similar like the previous one, but this one is a white jeans from H&M, and I do think that this is one of an essential things that you need to add on in your wardrobe if you don't have one. For guys that is still wearing skinny jeans, I think it's time for you to switch over to baggier jeans. And in fact, in 2023, jeans are only getting baggier, and honestly, I'm not complaining. You can see a lot of people starting to wear baggy jeans nowadays, especially on fashion TikTok. This style is obviously leaning to streetwear fashion, but you can always do some mix and match to make dressing up more fun. The way how these jeans drop on my sneakers is one of the reasons why I really love wearing it. So for the final piece that I will be suggesting is a plain black dress shoe. Trust me, once you add a plain dress shoe in your wardrobe collections, your whole outfits will turn 180 degrees. And why I think that it will change your style 180 degrees is because it changed my style. After getting my first pair of dress shoe, I have other options of footwear rather than just wearing sneakers with all my outfits. This piece right here is one of the most versatile fashion piece that a person could have in their wardrobe. You can easily wear it with a denim jeans, slack pants, cargo pants, t-shirt, flannel, and even with a hoodie. For me, black dress shoe is the new white sneakers. So with that being said, that's the end for our segment today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again in another episode of ZALORA TV.